Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. We welcome in our midst our dear pilgrims journeying us this Holy Eucharist. We appreciate and welcome the pilgrims from the Immaculate Conception Parish, Balibago, Angeles, Pampanga, Father Alvin and his parishioners, and we also welcome pilgrims from the Blessed Virgin Mary Missionary from San Fabian, Pangasinan. Maligayang pagdating po sa Manila Cathedral. Palakpakan po natin ang bawat isa. Welcome, Father Alvin, my dear sisters and brothers. And we hope that you'll have a good time and experience in our Mother Church, your home here in Intramuros. Dear brothers and sisters, two characters from our readings today faced a merciless and a pitiful life. The just one and Jesus himself. Humarap po sila sa mga kaibigan, sa mga tao na tila ang pagtingin sa kanila ay isang kakatakutan, isang pabigat sa kanilang buhay. The wicked ones told the just one that he is obnoxious. To know God is a good thing in this life. He calls the destiny of the just as a blessed life. His words are true. His life is indeed something that is remarkable. Noon pa lamang po ay totoo na ang mga taong mahilig manira, manchismis, ang manakit sa pamamagitan ng mga salitang nakikita o babanggitin nila sa mga taong nagsisikap gumawa ng kagandahan. We also heard how Jesus himself, in all of his efforts to preach and to let his presence be felt, was also a victim of people's merciless and even pitiful words. Secretly, he came up to Judea. He preached there. His presence was felt there. But once more, we heard those people, is he not the prophet? Is he not the Christ? Why is he speaking openly? Paninira, walang kaawa-awang mga salita. And my dear sisters and brothers, we get to have this realization from these stories. And I'd like to speak this in Tagalog. Hindi ikinauunlad ang paninira. Gumanda ho ba buhay natin kapag may siniraan tayong parokyano, may siniraan tayong mga taong mahal natin sa buhay, when we neglect friends? Did we get promotions in our job when we step on people, when we doubted the capacities of people? No. We even would always see ourselves drowning in sin, sometimes in our arrogance, and most of the time in our pride. Hindi ikinauunlad ang paninira. But in the midst of all of these things, we know that at sometimes people will not really matter speaking good things to us. Ginawa mo na ang tama, ginawa mo na ang lahat, you did what is beautiful, you did what is right. Then still people will talk about say things about you. But then the fuel in one's just living, in Christ-like living, is not what they say, but what we really know God is working in us. Kahit ho ba narinig nila ang mga bagay na ito at napag-usapan nila ang mga bagay na ito, ano ang kanilang susi? Hindi pakinggan ang mga taong ito, kundi panghawakan. Ang Diyos ang kanilang lakas. Ang Diyos ang patuloy na magbibigay sa kanila ng katatagan ng loob. Let us evaluate ourselves, dear sisters and brothers. I am no exemption in this. Alam ko din pong hindi rin na makapatawad ang aking mga salita minsan. But our own merciless expression and dealings will not really lead us to our own growth and transformation. But holding on to God, being faithful and kind with our hearts and words, this will lead us to holiness. This will lead us to being Christ-like in this world.